You will need are a number 3 square screwdriver, a 1/2 inch wrench, a 7/16 ratchet, and again a 1/2 inch wrench or a combination wrench. First thing you want to do is lift up the cushion, and for ease of use you want to remove this shaft just so you can raise the cushion all the way up. Pull out the screw holding it in place. And I'll take the shaft out, make sure it doesn't fall on the ground. And now you want to support the cushion or keep it up. I just happen to have a little socket here. I'll place it underneath just to hold it up while I'm working. And then what you want to do is take the number 3 screwdriver, place it through these holes. So you're in the screw, and underneath you have a 1/4 inch nut, and you just use a 7/16 wrench to just loosen it. So there's 4 screws holding it in place. Now you want to remove this tension knob. And you want to push the screws up from underneath to get them out of place. You just want to remove these screws here. Through the holes. And once these screws are out, the tension knob is out, you're free to just push out the drop section, just like this. Now to put the drop section back in, the new drop section, just take the new drop, again slide it from underneath, raise up that pallet, just slide it back in the hole, and then you can take these screws and line them back up with the hole. And you want to push all 4 screws back in place. And then once they're down, just continue to tighten, put in the nut on the bottom. Put in all 4 nuts first, and then make sure they're all in so that everything is straight. And then just tighten it back in place.